Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervous Specialist. So I'm here looking at a Grand Design Solitude, and I just wanted to show you like tattletales, right? So I'm not going to go into how to fix it, but it's kind of common, just add a piece of aluminum rail to go ahead and secure it up. But when I'm looking at the plastic trim on the aluminum, and then I see, okay, hey, the screw's loose. Well, why is that, right? What's going on with the screws? But then if you come up and you just lightly tap the metal, you can see how much all this moves, and I'm just barely pushing on it, whether I push on it with my my tablet or whatever. Imagine as he's going down the road how much that thing is shaking itself apart. So make sure that you're checking your bracing underneath. Periodically we find some that break loose and come apart, or maybe it just needs additional bracing added to it. Back here you can see it's a lot more sturdier. Same thing on the back. So just something to keep an eye out for. When you're going underneath there, you can go underneath and get any kind of aluminum stock, some screws. You can use trifold rivets. Basically, you're just going to add a brace up in this area on the floor, come down, catch it on the bottom of the J-metal skirting. So, all right, hope this tip helps. Thanks so much for watching.